welcome back. I got my IPSY this month, and for those of you that are new, I'm Samantha. I'm 44, drum pure skin, medium skin tone, and I like makeup. I am on a hunt for makeup that will work well with dry skin, that will not sit in my fine lines or wrinkles. I like natural sheer glowy kind of products. I've been really into the creams lately, which have worked out really well for me. And I like trying subscription boxes from time to time to see how some of that stuff works. And if you like that, then please subscribe, stick around, give it a thumbs up, hit the notification bell. I think it's down so that you're notified when I post a video. So today is IPSY. It is October, and I'm going to share with you my IPSY box. So it comes with this little card. And I guess next month is the Glam Bag X, and Huda Beauty will be curating it, and I am excited. But it kind of gives you it says 3 easy makeup looks in this card. So if you want to pause the video and have a looky, have a looky. This is the bag it comes with. Drawstring. This is cute though. I use the crap out of these bags. It's got little vampire teeth. It's cute. I use the crap out of them. Anyways, let's get to what I got this month. So the first thing I noticed was this perfume. What is this? Tokyo Milk, the number 15, French Kiss. And I have used it. The back of the bottle. Let's see. It's got like a fresh, woodsy scent, and I really like that in my perfumes or whatever you have. There's no prices or lists that comes with IPSY on these things, so just work with me. Next is the Dermelect Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum. And they say to put this on before you go to bed. Okay, I believe that's the directions. Let's see. Overnight treatment effectively revitalizes dull-looking skin, focuses on fine lines, wrinkling, and large pores. Great for age spots and uneven skin tone, multitasking, facial, and décolletage applications. It says it's a potent yet gentle anti-aging serum combining 3 active forms of amino acids. It doesn't. Oh yeah, application. Apply on cleansed skin and allow for the serum to absorb. No need to wash off. And it's not greasy, it's not sticky, it looks like it would be, but it's not oily at all. It's literally a serum. I've used this a couple nights in a row. I've had this for about 3 days, so I've used it for 3 nights. I haven't noticed any reactions with this, but I can't tell if it's working yet because, you know, it takes a couple weeks with skincare. But so far, no reactions and things are going well. Next. I'll save my 2 favorites for the last. Well, we'll get to that. My next one is the Murad Skin Smoothing Polish. And this is what it looks like. I've had good luck when it comes to Murad products. So this is what the bottle looks like. And it says to use. Massage over dampened face and neck. Rinse and pat dry. Use 2 to 3 times weekly. Avoid contact with eyes. Gentle exfoliating scrub helps clear pore clogging, debris, and excess oils for smoother, healthier looking skin. I have not tried this one yet. I'm going to try it tonight when I remove my makeup. So what is this? Is it a polish? Is it a wash? Okay, it looks like... Let's see. So it looks like an exfoliating... Is this just an exfoliator or is it... Okay, so it looks like an exfoliating cleanser is what I'm getting from reading the box, which I am excited. I have a one from another brand that I've been using, but I'm almost out, so this would be great. My next one I've been using is the 111 Skin Nocturnal Eclipse Recovery Cream. And I have used this for, again, 3 nights now. It comes in this really pretty little box, and OR is the writing small. This is what it looks like inside. Yeah, it doesn't give you much, but it says, so basically it's like a moisturizer, a nighttime moisturizer. What does it help with though? The writing is so freaking small. Okay, so it's basically ultra hydrating moisturizer, nighttime moisturizer. I loved it. I used it. I have it on right now. My skin feels plump. It feels nourished. It feels moisturized. Have I noticed any difference overnight? Not yet. Too soon to tell again. But it smells fabulous and no reactions so far. And I've noticed as I've gotten older, especially around my eyes, are really super sensitive. So, and I haven't had any reactions to it, so. Next up is Wonder Beauty Staycation Hydrating Mask. And again, I've used this. I like it. I had another mask from them I got a while back, a nighttime mask that oh, my hair's driving me crazy, and I thoroughly enjoyed it. So this is it. And it has peptides. Let me see if the reading is so small in these boxes. Peptides, ceramides, and cranberry seed oil. And what you're supposed to do is put this on and leave on, it says 10 to 13 minutes and rinse. Is that? Yeah. Or they say you can use it as a moisturizer. Now what I'll do, because I am dry, and here I'll show you. I'll take my 111 skin cream at night. It's literally a cream, the 111. Hydrating. Oh my god, it smells so good. You know, 111's products have a really good scent. But I rub it in and I take my time and I'll massage it in my face at night. Oh, this feels so nice and hydrating. Like my skin, it's not oily or greasy. It literally sinks right into the skin. And you're left with the most beautiful luminescent little glow. But it's not oily, it's not slick. It's just soft and hydrated. And then I'll take this little sucker and I'll go right over my skin, especially my under eyes. And it's like a little, kind of a gel formula. And I'll rub that in too. And this doesn't have a, little bit of a fresh scent, but it's not strong at all. Not like the 111. They have fragrance. But I'll rub that in, and then my skin is so freaking soft, especially in the morning when I wake up. Hydration wise, I've noticed a difference in my skin. I'll say that. My skin's soft. I am really curious about this. I really want to see if this will do anything, and I'm going to try the Murad as soon as we get off here. So when I upload this video, I'll leave everything in the comments on what I think of this, because that's what I'll do. Anyways, that is my IPSY for the month of October. I liked it a lot. I even liked the perfume. I liked everything. Honestly, everything works for me. Am I sad I didn't get any makeup? Not really. I have makeup. I'm trying to do a no, or not a no buy. Here and there I'll do a buy, but I don't want to monthly like ship to me makeup, because I have so much I'm trying to work through. So but skincare I go through like that. So I'm enjoying getting lots of skincare, and yeah, it's been a joy. Because normally these things you buy, you know, like if you went to Sephora and purchased this, I think this one alone is like $119, something like that. 111 Skin's expensive. It's certainly not affordable at all. So the fact that I get it in a subscription box that I pay $35 a month for, all this together, fuck yeah, I'm all for it, you know? And so that's it for this month. I'm happy. I'm pleased with the box. I love everything I got. And I'm excited for next month. Next month, my Glam Bag X, I get the Huda Beauty. I'm excited for that. But, and if you're curious what's on my face, I have the Lottie London. You know, I have a review up for that foundation. But I did go out and get a lighter shade that better suits me. I have a Kosas blush and highlighter on. I think it's the 8th Wonder shade, and Hourglass bronzer. Oh, Jaclyn Hill. This eyelid always gives me problems with the Jaclyn Hill shadows, which I am enjoying. And that's what I got. Oh, and a little Tower 28 gloss. And that's what I'm wearing. So let me know in the comments below what you guys got in your IPSY. If you like subscription boxes, if you enjoy them, what boxes do you get? What are your favorite products? Do you like skincare? Do you like makeup? Drop a like. Let me know in the comments. Give me a subscribe because I really appreciate it. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.